back looking for breakfast. Yeah, my favorite little camp rat, Red.
Day 16. Red and I are having breakfast together this morning. He was at my tent 5:30, wanting me to get up. It's time to eat. Make me breakfast. Pushy little guy. And I know you're not supposed to feed him, but this guy was spoiled a long time ago by many campers. Time to move camp. Lake Saganaga, goodbye. We are camped at Englishman Island, right here on the north side of this little island. We'll continue on down to Red Rock Bay and into Red Rock Lake and look for a campsite in here. So it's just a short hop today. And for this slow-mo of the day, I didn't even have to get out of the canoe. Moved to Red Rock Lake, got my camp set up, and now I'm in the process of trying to catch dinner without having a whole lot of luck. It doesn't help when you lose half your tackle box. Just about to give up. Fish on, I'm hooked up. See if I can get a shot of him. No good at this racket. Lost the fish, lost the lure, and got wounded at the same time. Good grief. Yeah, I've been thinking about that fish since I got back to camp, and I'm actually glad that it got away, because that was probably 4 or 5 times the amount of fish I really wanted to eat tonight. So, hey, props to the fish. I'll just go with rice tonight. I'm fine with that. Dinner time. You know who I'm missing right now? Out of all the people that I know, my wife, of course, it's that little camp squirrel from yesterday and this morning, Red. He came to my tent at 5:30 in the morning, started clawing on the flap. It's like, get up, make breakfast, I'm hungry. I said, go away. I slept for another half an hour. Then I got up, made breakfast. You remember the video? We had breakfast together. So, Couch Skinner story. Not really a Couch Skinner story, more or less acknowledging recognition we got this last year that was really cool. We did the Craft Extravaganza show at the St. Paul Fairgrounds. Big show. Channel 9 local Fox affiliate was doing a story on it, and we got featured in that story. And Pat was on television, morning block, 3 different times, and then when we did the show, our booth was set up right by the front door, and people would come in and say to Pat, I saw you on TV. It was pretty fun. Pat's a local celeb. Yeah, man. I gotta tell you though, day 16, I'm starting to show some wear and tear. I'm starting to look forward to going home. Yep. Good night.